nomenclature cards are used for language, but they're used in multiple areas of the classroom to help identify certain either objects or shapes or people or animals. This is our 7 continents. So the first thing we have the children do is we get out a floor mat. This is a work that needs 2 floor mats. So I have 1 white bath mat. I'm gonna just get a second one. And you can use a white towel at home if you have carpet samples. That's what we used to use at the school, but I'm just gonna grab a second one here. Lay it out. What I did for nomenclature is I just, again, used a basket from the dollar store, and they have large cards that have the picture and the words, a set of cards with just the picture, and then a set of cards with the words. And I rubber banded the word cards together. If it's difficult for your child, you can use another rubber band and rubber band the picture ones together. I just left them like that. We have specific baskets at the school for nomenclature, but I'm not sending those home with families. So we have North America. We're going to lay out our big cards first. South America, Europe, Africa. Then we want to make another row, so we're going to make a hand space. Asia, Australia, and Antarctica is cut in half on our globe, because the globe is rounded. When you slice it down the middle, Antarctica's at the bottom, so it becomes 2 pieces. Now they're going to want to match the pictures. Last, they're going to want to match the labels. So this says Antarctica. And I usually have the child match the label up and look very closely at the word. It says South America. Europe. Africa, Asia, North America, Australia. So I can see that I only have 2 that don't have labels. Oh, that one goes there, and Antarctica at the bottom. Then you're gonna want to have your child come ask you to check your work, or again, if they're working virtually with us the entire time, we can check it. If they're a kindergartner, you can have them write 3 of these words on the paper that we've discussed. Or if you don't feel like they need to do that today, you could just have them pick it up. So I mix up my cards, starting with the cards with the labels or the words at the bottom. Sometimes we call them speaking cards. And I mix them up so that the next time they choose to do this work, it isn't just the same order. It makes it a little bit more challenging for the child rather than just having them ordered automatically. If they cannot do the rubber band by themselves, they can ask you to do that. We do the rubber bands for them. And then you're going to want them to put this back where they got it on your shelves.